Hey, welcome to the Pool Crew AU. Thanks for joining us. We're at Jack's place today and we're here to give a regular service, so let's get to it.
So far it's been a beautiful day, but they're forecast storms, so I need to get cracking. A quick scoop and then set up to vacuum. I service Jack's pool once every 4 weeks and it's not looking too bad today. Here we go. It's relaxing to watch. Another nice day. This is one of my favourite pools. Gotta keep going. A little more vacuuming, but you can see the wind is coming up and the dark clouds are coming over. Quickly test the water chemistry, loading the water sample. It spins for a few minutes. Needs some acid and some buffer. Throw in a clarifying tablet. Oh no, the storm has hit. The rain's quite heavy. Just need to brush and then we're done. Thanks for watching, but before you go, the next videos are right there. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos with hints and tips on how to look after your pool. Once again, thanks from Pool Crew AU.